So this is the third version of game stats from beginning C++, and this one is the purpose of this program is to illustrate how to use const and enumerated types. So we've seen const before in C#, and the idea is once you declare a variable to be constant, you can't reassign a value to anything else. Let me just run this real quick to show what it does. So it prints out score 1500, and then it says to upgrade my ship to a cruiser will cost 24 resource points. Press any key to continue. Okay, so the way the score is calculated is we multiply alien points times aliens killed. So let me just show you for a second the difference between a constant and a regular int. So alien points is a const. So if I try to say alien points equals 200 now, after I've set it to 250, look, I already get the squiggly lines here, and it says error, expression must be a modifiable L value. So L value is short for left-hand value. So it can go on the left-hand side of an assignment if it's a modifiable L value. All right, so it won't let me do it. If I try to build it, it fails. Okay, because again, alien points you cannot assign to a variable that is const. Okay, same idea. Now aliens killed I can reassign. So let me, if I made this, because aliens killed is just an int, it's not a constant. So if I said aliens killed equals 200, that will totally work. Okay, so I can say run it, and now I've killed a ton of aliens. I've got a ton of points, right? Okay, so that's const. Then there's this thing called enumerated types, right? Oh, and why would you want to have a const? The idea is that it's just more meaningful. Like to say your score, if I said score equals aliens killed times 150, that's not as meaningful as if I have something called alien points, which I might want to use in multiple places. That's the other thing, you might want to use it in multiple places, so you can set its value once up top, and then it gives a meaning to the value that you're using. All right, so it just makes your code more readable. Then there's this enumerated type, which we had something like that in the when we did the cards. Let's see, I think I might even have that up here someplace in one of these. Is it with cards? Oh, that's const. Oh, here we go. Yeah. So we had an enumerated type suit that was clubs, diamonds, hearts, and spades. This is C#, right? So it looks a little bit different, but it's the same idea. It's an enumerated type. And so here what we have is we say enum difficulty, and then in curly brackets we have all these possibilities: novice, easy, normal, hard, or unbeatable. And basically what happens is if we so we assign now we have a type, right, of difficulty, just like int or double or whatever. We've created this enumerated type difficulty, so we can create a variable of type difficulty and assign it one of these values. But let's see what happens now if we say cout, let's say my difficulty, and I'll put a space, and I will pipe in the value, my difficulty. So we see it's been set to easy, right? So let's see what it prints out in end all. So when I run this, it says my difficulty 1. So why does it say 1? Why doesn't it say easy? So what happens is these are effectively translated into integers. So and starting at 0. So see, it says enum difficulty novice equals 0, easy equals 1, normal equals 2, hard equals 3, unbeatable equals 4. So it's set in order 0, 1, 2, 3 for however many of these enumerated types there are. This one here is a little bit different. This says ship cost, fighter cost, bomber cost, cruiser cost, whatever. You notice this equal 25 here. So it says enum ship cost, fighter cost equals 25. This one, now this one, bomber gets 26 because there's no equals to give a value to bomber cost. So what happens is it just takes on the next value after the item before it. So fighter cost was 25. Since bomber cost doesn't have anything explicitly set, it just gets automatically set to 26. And then cruiser cost, there is an equals, so cruiser cost gets 50. So if I had said bomber cost equals 30, right, then this would be 25, this would be 30, and this would be 50, okay? But because there was nothing explicitly set, it just takes on the next value. So this gets 25, and this gets 26, okay? So that's why it says here to upgrade my ship to a cruiser will cost, the cruiser cost is 50, minus my ship cost, and my ship cost is the bomber cost, 26. So 50 minus 26 gives us our 24. So when we run it, we get our score, our difficulty, and 24 points.